Hey, what's up, guys? Johnny here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean Nintendo cartridges. Um, the method that I really like. The first thing you're going to want to need is a 3.8-bit socket and you're going to have to order those on eBay and it actually comes with the screwdriver that you can actually buy. I think it's like $5 or $6 or something like that. And they also have other ones. Different games take Phillips screwdriver. Some of them that comes with the bit. For Sega Genesis, Super Nintendo, this is actually the one that we're going to use for the Nintendo. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take the screws out. Okay. Once you have the screws out, you want to carefully take out the chip that's inside of it. It's very delicate. What you want to actually use is a scouring pad. This one's kind of wore out a little bit because I've cleaned a lot of games. But what you want to do is you want to clean off these connectors that connect inside the NES. You want to clean them really good. And the more you clean them, the more you can see the dirt coming off. You do not want to use alcohol or any other substance. Nothing. You can use water. Water. I don't think water will hurt them. But this is the best method I've seen to clean these like they're brand new. You can actually see the connections itself cleaned. Okay. The next thing you want to do is put the chip back in carefully, and what you want to do is you just want to put it right back together and easily put the screws back inside. And these will play like they're brand new. I actually show you also how to clean actually fix 72-pin connector without going and buying one. It's very easy, and you just want to get them kind of snug. You do not want to tighten them too tight because you will strip the bolts. And yeah, if you would like to, you would like to subscribe, and I'm actually going to be making some more videos soon. This is just a little tip I would like to give everybody. It's really useful method to clean your NES cartridges. You want to make sure it's a 3.8 bit for the Nintendo. Sega, I believe it's a little bit bigger. Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, and everything else like that. If you would like to comment, if you would like to subscribe, that'd be awesome. My channel is actually starting to grow a little bit more, so I'm hoping that I actually have some more people following me. But thank you very much for watching this video.